Hey guys, and welcome to this YallaMotor review. Right next to me is a very anticipated car. From the color, from its look, it's super beautiful. It's the all-new AITO 9. Now, this is AITO's flagship SUV. It's soon to be coming to the Middle East. And I'll tell you something really special about this car. This car has Chinese plates. If you're wondering why it has Chinese plates, well, it's driven all the way from China to the Paris Auto Show where it's going to be debuted. And I'm one of the first journalists to review this car. Can you imagine it's done 15,000 kilometers, 10 countries to reach here? This comes to show how reliable this car is. And I can't wait to show you what's inside and what this car is all about. Now first, let's talk about the exterior of this beautiful vehicle. As you can see the color here, it's a beautiful orange finish, sleek design, and when you come to these LEDs, they're extremely beautiful. Each and every LED can be changed to its design, and they're projector lamps. So you could actually project a movie and design on a wall. And that's what the LED system is. Now on this beautiful SUV, we have these beautiful 21-inch rims. I love the machine cut design and continental brakes to make sure you have that stopping braking power. Now right here, you have a dual camera system. One for the front for the car to see, and a rear camera when you make indicator use as well. It's a part of the LiDAR system that's a part of the car. And when you move down here, you can already start seeing the silver finish and the black mirrors. And you start realizing the car is just not one single color, it's a dual tone color. So on top here, you have a black finishing to the top, silver lining, and you can see the two-tone color. I love the orange and black. It complements the car so well. The exterior design has a really low drag coefficient that makes this car super aerodynamic, and that allows you to have more range and is super efficient. Now, as you see in the back here, you have these beautiful LED design. You can change them continuously and how it looks. So whenever you make a turn signal, you miss someone, you cut someone up accidentally, you can give them also a heart. I love this feature. It looks really cool. Now, obviously, you must be wondering how much space does a beautiful SUV like this have? Once you open the boot inside, you have plenty of space, especially being a 6-seater with captain seats. Down here, you have enough space to put your things inside, a few sports things around here. You have a fuse box, you have your 12-volt socket here, and your controls to move these seats down and close. So press this button here, automatically, the seat will automatically go down and close by itself. Now you must be wondering what this beautiful SUV is powered by. Underneath the hood, you open up, you see an engine. But this is actually not an engine. This is actually a generator, or let's say a power bank that charges the battery to give you a maximum range. Now, what is the total brake horsepower? You have 489 brake horsepower, 670 Newton meter of torque, and under 5 seconds to 100. So you can imagine this thing weighs pretty heavy because of how big and how luxurious it is. Now, to improve road safety and to keep the car even more autonomous, the car has a built-in LiDAR system. As you can see on top here, the LiDAR always continuously reads the road. And when it reads the road, it doesn't just help you with autonomous driving, it also monitors each and every road bump. So the air suspension is so advanced that every time it sees the road bump, it drops and increases the height immediately right before the bump, so you don't even feel it. That's really amazing. As soon as you hop inside, press the button and walk away. The door has opened by itself, and you walk inside. You're first welcomed by this beautiful, gorgeous interior. This wood is really, you feel the wood here. You have this nice finish of leather, nice buttons down here. Hop inside right here. You have some cushions sitting here right now. As you can see, to close the door, you press one button here, and the door closes itself. I can automatically now recline my seats to the standard I want by moving this seat in front. If I press this seat in front will move. I will move back even more. It's making enough space for me, and you can really feel how comfortable these seats are. As soon as you hop in, there's automatic massage that is pressing through. But this is not any normal massage. You can actually feel the lumbar pushing individually. So you can see how much space I have. I'm so comfortable. I'm 6 foot. Enough space for me to sit down. Now let's talk about these beautiful seats here. They have some 10-layer cushioning, which is pretty crazy. 10-layer, and you really do feel how soft they are. You have the cushioning down here, and then over a single button, if you press here, you activate zero gravity mode. Now what is zero gravity mode? The seat actually lifts up slightly. You have the extender coming out with the foot, and you can really feel like you're floating with the car. Pretty amazing. Now, the luxury in this car is not enough yet. There's even more. Press of a button, I will press right now. This seat right here is gonna move front. As you can see, it's slowly now moving. And what's coming down here is the screen. As you can see here, there's a projector in the car. Have you ever heard of this? I never believed this is a projector in the car. You have a projector right here and you can sit down and actually watch anything up here. You can stream from your phone, you can stream it and now watch a movie. Take a look at that. So easy, convenient to go back inside. It's not always out. And 35 inches. Isn't that the amazing thing? So down here you have your AC controls. You have a dual system here, so you can control your seat, the heating, different modes. Press it down here, is the entire screen. You can change how the type of air you want from your feet, legs, and everything else. Control from there. But let alone, you also have a nice fridge. So open this up. You have this fridge, and the temperature inside here reaches from -30 degrees, so you can really freeze everything inside here. This can also heat things up, so you can heat it up to 50 degrees if you want as well. So putting warm food inside and keeping it warm, this is also a feature that you have. Down here you have no box because there's no drive shaft, and because it's electric you have a flat floor, which is really nice and convenient to really relax up. Everything's about really small things that make everything a luxurious experience. Even the light here, touch it down here and you have a crystal ball type of light. It's not even a regular LED, it's a crystal ball type of light, making it really special. I like these small intricate details about the car. It makes it unique, and you can see there's aluminum going around everywhere. So aluminum around here, there's aluminum going around here. It just is consistently going around the place. You can also, another thing is control the seats from here with this button. So for example, if you want to change how it wants to move, passenger, if you want, you can move it accordingly and see how you want it to move. To zero gravity mode, as you can see. As you can see, the seat in front has gone down and this is starting to raise up. It's raising up and I have completely laid down. I have a zero gravity effect. This is amazing. This is really amazing. I'm really reclined all the way back down here, feet down up here, and having a zero gravity position. And I'll tell you what, the cushions are so comfortable. As I said, 10 layered cushions really have changed it. I thought it might be a gimmick, but it really has changed everything, how comfortable you feel. And I feel like I'm above the air. That's the effect of zero gravity, and that's what it's giving you right now. So I'm laying down, looking up, have a beautiful massive sunroof. You can see everything clearly, clear vision view, and when the screen comes down, you can literally watch a movie as well. Talk about luxury. This is the pinnacle of it. At the heart of AITO's brand is the ultra range extending technology. So you never need to worry, oh, do I need to stop and charge my car? No, you don't need to actually, because you have an engine that charges the battery for you, making it so much easier and extending your range even more. Over 1,000 kilometers in all their models. What else do you need? So we're gonna see the quick acceleration of this thing. It has a hyper acceleration mode, and I've told the Chinese expert driver in everything I quote to show me how fast it can go. So we're holding on to dear life to see how fast it's gonna go, and I'm gonna quickly record it for our story to see how much I fly. So let's find a part where he pulls over or something and see how fast it goes. There we go. Oh! That was quick. With 1,239 kilometers, you really don't have to worry about anything, especially with stopping and charging, as I'm going to relax and sit back and enjoy the drive in Paris. Look, familiar. I don't even know how to say these things. Now, as soon as I hop in the driver's seat, it's all a different story then. Close the door with a single press of a button, and you're welcomed by these massive screens. One screen here, and one screen there. So it doesn't end up how many screens there are in the vehicle itself. The car adjusted to my seat already. Here's something really cool. There are no seat memory buttons. This camera right here is a facial recognition camera that will scan my face. It knows Abdullah is sat in the car. I will now change Abdullah's preferred settings, so you don't ever need to have a button, oh, seat memory 1, seat memory 2. They've removed that, and that's really smart. So you can have unlimited amount of people added to the system. The facial system will recognize it and adjust accordingly to that person. Now, having a luxurious SUV, everything feels so premium, from the buttons to the steering wheel, a very premium feel. You have a simplicity everywhere. Wood, real wood feel texture. You also have a beautiful charging port that has a 50-watt charging, so you can put it here, charge at maximum speed. When you open this up, you have your USB-C port, your 2 cup holders inside, and some extra storage down here. Also, when you open this part up, have more storage here with extra USB-C port and an entire charging section. Now talk about more space. You have a button here, press it down here. It's a very secret button. Have extra space down here. You might be wondering, Abdullah, what is this button about? If you press this, you have these mini perfumes. They smell amazing. Oh, and you put this through the system, it runs through the AC, and you have your own fragrance system in the car. Very premium. So you might be, these are actually your microphones, and there are 6 places in the car, so anyone can actually call the voice assistant in the car, and they even support multiple languages. So you can call from any part of the car, sit in the back, call the system, and the system will come up itself by these microphones. So there's 6 places that happen in the car. So you can see across the windscreen of what's exactly happening. I can see pedestrians, I can see where's the next exit. It will show everywhere across the screen, and that's really cool. It's an AR system, so it's artificial reality built into that HUD display. So the AITO 9 is really just filled with advanced technology for both the passengers and the driver itself. It has so much technology packed, it doesn't end. Well, what's my final verdict on the AITO 9? If you're looking for luxury, craftsmanship and durability, whether you're cruising around the city or crossing the continent, as this car has done 15,000 kilometers, it's really capable. The ultra range technology allowing you to have enough range, it's truly a statement in the mark of a premium SUV. And I personally think this will leave a mark in the market in the Middle East very, very soon. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what do you think of this SUV. I'll catch you guys later.